We traveled from Lviv, Ukraine to Antalya, Turkey. And we never realized how big Turkey is and how much there is to do. We stayed in Antalya for 3 weeks, and honestly, we could have stayed for 3 months. It's on the south coast, and this is how much it is of the whole of Turkey. We stayed at Konyaalti Beach, which is the perfect location. Just got into a flat, and it's really cool for the price. I think we're paying like 300 rand a night. And they're saying they're doing our laundry as well, because I don't see a washing machine, so that's very nice. It's very cute. It has like a little living room area, kitchen area, little outside area, bedroom, the aircon, which is going to be useful, bathroom, and decent closet space. Proper sized glasses. We've had like the tiniest glasses up to now in places. We're all changed into summer here. Yay! Havianas. So
Food time.
food time.
Hungry.
We are very hungry.
I haven't eaten for like 24 hours, other than rubbish, chippies and things and crap.
But two good things are they clean for you every day and they do laundry.
Apparently.
But the two bad things are
What's the other thing? Well, the internet's not the greatest.
it's not a smart TV, so there's no Netflix. It's just
It's not the end of the world.
Turkish TV, but it's not the end of the world. So there is a little flat lounge area, venturing out into our world. That's where we're staying. The beach is apparently very close. We have the best timing in the world. 2 days before we went to Ukraine, they went into lockdown.
2 days before we go to Turkey, they go into lockdown.
But it's not lockdown for tourists, so we don't know what that means.
Excuse me, you look there. Look there?
They are very, very strict here. They stopped us to check our passports to make sure that we are actually tourists.
Yeah, because there's some tourists that are here with a residential visa apparently.
Yeah.
It's like, we just got here today, we don't know.
They're like, stop us, and they're like, where are you staying with everything? This is amazing, look at this! People are swimming, we can swim. This is amazing, this is like, wow! Jared!
We're gonna have some fun now, okay?
Oh my goodness. Only tourists are allowed to be out. So this is so quiet. Pebble beaches. not a fan. It is inner. On the beaches it's just us and the Russians.
Yeah, and the Russians.
We are the only non-Russian tourists.
Okay, to the food.
A very sleep deprived Jared. Aiming to put on his shoes and he fell, so now he's not sitting on the floor.
I got
putting on
down
his shoes.
strategically.
You fell onto pebbles. It must have been soft. Food looks amazing. And more food. And cheesecake. And pool. Lots of bread. Not sure what we're supposed to do with all the bread. So we've been in Antalya for 4 days now. We haven't done much because we've just been working in the week. But it's been awesome. The food is great and fresh and it's really affordable. There's only one really big problem, and that is that the internet in our hotel isn't the greatest due to some fiber issues or something, and it's locked down. SIM cards and cellular shops is not an essential service, so we can't get a SIM card. So we can't have internet when we're not in the hotel. Everything is in Turkish, so when you go to the shop, you can't translate either. You need internet for that. Do not go run in Antalya after 8. It is way too hot. It's like this boardwalk that just goes along the beach for I don't even know how long. I did a 4K and I think it just keeps going. So there's 2 apps that you can use to order groceries and takeaways online. I've linked them below. But you can only order if you have a Turkish bank card. If you want to order takeaway, they do allow you to pay cash on delivery. We have a whole cat family that came to visit. This one was here yesterday. Now I brought the family. The other one disappeared now. Oh, there she is. Yeah, a whole family of cats coming to visit us. Shame.
I think it's food.
So we still had to go to the actual store to get groceries, and there's only these little corner shops with essentials, so it's hard to get things to make dinners. Found my muesli. I've been looking for this. Been having just And with it being lockdown, we spent our Friday night eating takeaway pizza at the beach. So drawing money has been one of the easiest things we've done. There's like a gazillion things to choose from. So the place we're staying at has bikes that you can just take. So you're gonna take the bikes and go ride on the promenade. Oh, it has a basket. Our bike is broken, but they said we can get another one inside that's locked.
I didn't break the bike.
So we're hoping to get those ones because it is and hot outside.
Yeah, it's pretty tough.
Jari got his new bike. It's very hot, like very hot. We made it to the beach after a minute. Made it to the end. This is where the beach ends and it's like rocky, but it's beautiful, hey?
Yeah, it's awesome.
We got some McDonalds, some trusted McDonalds. I wanted a bucket of chicken, but I got a bucket of fries. And they have these onion rings, which is delicious.
Which are not onion rings.
They're not onion rings, but they taste a bit oniony and they're delicious. They're probably very unhealthy, but it's very tasty. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe. It really helps to know that somebody enjoys watching these videos. And next week, we'll be going to the world famous Pamukkale.